Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Great car, guys. About a 10-year-old, I'm going to call it a frame-up restoration. Car's had a complete mechanical restoration. It's been repainted, but I believe like the interior's original. There's a lot of original stuff on this car. So they didn't just go through and do a nut and bolt or anything like that. Really good car. Factory Dover white car with a black vinyl top, black interior. Of course, it's got the black SS stripe. Good looking car. I just drove it here this morning. Good running and driving car. Nice and tight, shifts out good. And just a really cool car, man. I love the color combination. I'm not a huge white fan, but I like white with all the black accents. This car's just got a good look. Complete matching numbers drivetrain in it. There's some pictures of the restorations. There's a few little receipts in there. But a good car. Again, factory 50 code, paint code, which is Dover white. It's got the matching numbers, 396, 350 horse engine in it. Correct Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Like I say, just really a cool car. Nice, tight car. Tacking gauges. Really just a cool car. You can see a couple little stone pecks on it. There's not a whole lot to nitpick. But like you can see this is the original emblems are still on it. I believe these are the original bumpers, guys. It looks like, from what I can tell, the car had 88,000 miles on it when they restored it. They turned it back to zero, and now it's got 9,000 on the, or 9,400 or whatever it is on the odometer. So that's the miles on the resto. But I think this car has always been a nice car. And when you look at the pictures, you can, like I say, these are original. When you look at the pictures, it looks like a nice car that they started with. That's just for my guys. Dash in there's nice. I mean, it's got an aftermarket radio. It works. Like I say, tacking gauges. It's got the dual seam vinyl top, which is really nice. Underneath, the car's nice and clean. Again, I think these bumpers, that's just a little watermark, something dripped down, but they look original to me because you can kind of see just a little wear to them. Wouldn't change them. I'm not saying anything like that. I'm just telling you, I believe these bumpers are probably original. Car's nice and flat down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the correct SS rallies. And really fun car to drive. I mean, really hits the road nice. Factory front disc brake car. Again, it does have the matching numbers. 396, 350 horse engine in it. Correct Muncie 4-speed. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. You know, factory 4-barrel. Power steering. Does have power front disc brakes. He's got a little listing in there too, where he goes through all the little casting numbers and everything on the car. You can see it's got all the correct hoses and clamps. Pretty color combo, man. Years ago I had a Cornet RT, the same color with this white with that black vinyl top and everything. It looks good. And again, very impressed with the way it drove down the road. See, I believe these are original. Again, I think all this interior is original. Which, to be honest with you, is nice. It's nice to see stuff like this. You just know it's not a fake. You know, people fake so much now. Again, there's a little wear in the seat. But I think the carpet's original. Correct SS steering wheel. It's in really good shape. It's got the Hurst shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Yeah, 9427 on your odometer now. Factory tach and gauges. They put an aftermarket radio in there. It works. I know the heat works. It's a little cold today, so I know the heat works. I believe this one's got Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. It's a 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end, and he's got that all documented. It's correct rear end for the car. Show board that goes with it. It's pretty cool. You're at the car shows. Here's all the, you know, the pictures of the restoration and stuff. Again, it looks like they started with a really nice car to begin with. Here's some receipts, and like I say, he went through and kind of documented the numbers on the car too. It's all spackle coated. Pull that light. All spackle coated in the trunk. I didn't see where any panels had been replaced on the car too, so I believe the car's got all the original panels on it. Good straight car. Car's nice and clean underneath. Floors look good. These are new. These are, I don't think those are original. Yeah, seats are nice. Couple little marks in them, but all this stuff's original. Gauges are nice and clean. Again, steering wheel's nice. I believe those are original, guys. These, I think, have been changed. Those are too nice. And man, like I say, a little sweetheart, man. You see the car's got the original smog pump still on it. And like I say, drives excellent. Nice and tight, shifts good, clutch feels good. Up there working, yep. Good old pressure tach works. Give it a rev, Jordy. Parking brake works. Got a good sound. Got that snow out of here too, so we can run it down the road. Yeah, that works. Heat where it blows heat. I had it on. Radio works. Doors open and close, nice. I know those work. There you go. You're gonna work slow right now. That's the way they are, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. That's a nice car. Have a great day, guys.